Hello and welcome back. Now I will show you how you can remove the image background. You need to visit the website remove.bg. This website removes the background 100% automatically and free. You need to upload your image. Here you can see the example, original, remove background, new background and so on. So it will remove the background 100% automatically in just 5 seconds. Let's scroll down a little bit. So great website. It will remove the background and let's do some practical work. You need to visit the website unsplash.com and search products. From this website you can download free high quality pic. So let's download some pictures, then we will remove the image background. You can choose pictures on your own interest. So let's search dog and download the picture. So download this one. Now go back to the website remove.bg and upload picture which you want to remove the image background. So let's do that. So it will upload your image and remove the background automatically. So it will take some time. Upload your picture, then automatically remove your background. Here we go. So you can download the picture, but if you download in HD quality, you need to choose a pricing plan. So download in HD quality. So when you click on download in HD, so 1 credit per image, sign up and do that, but I am not interested. So when you click on the pricing, here you can see the pricing plan and it will charge 1 credit for 1 picture. So our first image background is removed. Let's do the same steps for other picture. So download this picture. So nice so far. So upload the image. So now you can remove the image background easily. In the next video I will show you how we can create pictures for our cake.